Max's amazing kite. Max loved flying kites. One day, his dad made him a special kite shaped like a dragon, with a long, colorful tail. Max couldn't wait to see it soar. On a breezy Saturday, he ran to the park with his dragon kite. As he let it loose, the wind lifted it high, and soon it looked like a real dragon flying in the sky. Max grinned, holding the string tightly, feeling like he was controlling a magical creature. Suddenly, a stronger gust of wind pulled the kite higher than ever. Max tried to hold on, but the string slipped through his fingers. He watched in horror as his kite flew away. But just as he thought it was lost, a kind stranger nearby caught the string and helped bring it back down. Max was so grateful. He thanked the stranger and promised to always hold on tightly from now on. That day, he learned that sometimes we need help, and it's okay to ask for it.